Hello, my name is Rafael Casanova and I'm 50 years old. Um, I started coming here a few weeks ago, like probably it's my fourth visit here. And I have been having issues in my health, which was mostly, I guess, the way I was eating, like I was gaining so much weight. I work outside as a landscaper, and I do a lot of physical sports like martial arts, Muay Thai, which is pretty tough. And there were moments that I knew that I wanted to keep doing more and more. And so my mind was set, but my body wasn't responding. I was feeling really tired, not enough energy, um, and mostly I was gaining weight. It was still hard for me to lose it. And it all started when my wife had issues with her thyroid, and she found Dr. Ilya, and so she's been under treatment. And after they pulled half of her thyroid, she started coming here to avoid all of the some of the pills or some of the stuff she's taking. And her energy, of course, when you have these issues, was really bad. And I saw her changes after her third visit, about losing weight, her energy levels, and she looked so much more happy and relaxed. So I decided to come because after 12 months, 14 months doing workouts, doing the heavy MMA stuff, wasn't easy to lose the weight I was looking for, and I was getting tired. And after my fourth visit, I lost at least 25 pounds. I tell you that, 25 pounds in about 10 weeks, 4 visits. I still have a few more visits to do it, but I am so happy. And I'll tell you, my energy levels are high. I'm working harder now. I can keep going. My energy and my libido and my weight is out, and I'm going for more weight. And my food behavior had to change, and it's been an excellent experience to have come visit Dr. Ilya with my wife. And now my 15-year-old daughter, who has issues with her asthma, is starting her treatment. It's her second treatment, I believe, today, or the third treatment, and she's doing really good. I can see losing her weight. Also, I see her energy changing, and we get conversation with father-daughter, and tells me that she's feeling better, and I see her happier too. And we were going to consult also a child therapist, because I was worried about her emotions. But it had to do a lot with her behavior of what she was eating and what she was using. So a lot of the stuff that she's doing is also changing her life. Like I'm changing my whole life. And I tell you, you have issues with energy, weight loss, or things like you need something that you know you want. Like myself, I was telling my mind, I want to do this, I want to do that, but I wasn't able to do it because of my body. And now I'm like, I'm on it. So don't lose your time on that. It is worth to come and have this experience. It will change your life, like I did. Thank you so much.